Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Aisha's Beauty, and I hope that everyone is doing good. And today I'm going to teach you this beautiful makeup look that I have created especially for you guys, that you can wear on Valentine's Day that's coming so soon. And you can wear it for any other party if you'd like, and it's really easy makeup. And I'm not a makeup artist or a beautician, but I just adore makeup, as you know. So we learned what steps to follow, but like always, before I start the video, kindly hit the like and subscribe button to my channel so that you can watch all my future videos easily. So let's get started without further ado. I'm using Caramel Tan Stay Matte but Not Flat foundation from NYX Cosmetics, and I'm using it as a concealer and trying to use it on areas where there's imperfection. Basically, I'm not going to use any foundation but use this darker foundation as a concealer. And the next thing is the eyeshadow base. It is from Ingrid Cosmetics, and it's basically a foundation called Mineral Silk and Lift Base, and it's actually really great as an eyeshadow base because it makes the makeup stay longer and brings out the beauty of the eye shades. I mean the real color of the eye shades. So I have actually covered all my eyelid, and now I am using it on my under eyes so that it becomes brighter. And the key is to blend it really well, so I'm blending it really well. And now I'm using all-in-one face base in shade 6 from the Body Shop to seal it all up. It's a really great powder. And now I'm using Java Silk blush from a different brand called Professionals USA. It is a unique makeup brand that's unfortunately been discontinued, and I have been using it for a long time because the pigments are really good. Interestingly, it's actually from my mom's makeup collection, but I took it over because it's just so beautiful. So I'm trying to create a crease with this light brown, chocolate brown eyeshadow, and I'm trying to blend it really well because blending is the key when you're trying to create a soft smoky eye. And the next shade is a purple eyeshadow, again from the same brand, and I'm trying to deepen up my crease with this eyeshade. And again, you can see that I'm blending it really well, and I'm using it in the under eye as well in order to give a smoky eye look. And I'm using a soft brush. So now I'm going to use my favorite, the glitter. It's Glitter Brilliance in the shade Rose, and I'm going to use a glitter glue with it. It's again from NYX Cosmetics, and I'm actually using it on my eyelid, in the center of my eyelid. Using glitter in the center of the eyelid can help make your eyes appear more beautiful and enhance their natural shape, and because it creates a reflective effect, so the eyes become bigger. I'm going to use next the eyeliner from Maybelline. It's Pitch Black 800 eyeliner, and it comes with a really great brush tip that gives a lot of precision and control during the application. and this is the thing that I like about it the most. My eyeshadow looked a bit dull, so I deepened the hue again, and now I'm doing my eyebrows. I filled my eyebrows, though it does not need much filling, but I'm trying to shape up my eyebrows, and I'm using eyebrow brush. Okay, so this is a Korean and my favorite blush in shade Gentle from MAC Cosmetics. It's a mineralized blush and it's a little bit shimmery, and it's really great on my dusky brown skin. And I am using the blush to give a lifted look to my face, and using it on the temples of my eyes and on a little bit on the sides of my chin. Okay, next is the highlighter Terracotta from Note Beauty, and I have done its review. I'm going to post it in the description box below. It's a really great blush in gold shade, and I'm using it on the Cupid's bow and on my nose and on my eyes. Okay, so here we go with the last step, the lipstick. I'm using AMC Crayon Lipstick from Ingrid Cosmetics in the shade 22, and I've done the complete review of this lipstick, and I'm going to post the video link over here. Now I'm using Preppy Pink, which is a moisture whip lipstick from Maybelline. It's a beautiful powder pink lipstick with small sparkling particles that's embedded in the formula and makes the lips appear more voluminous and eye-catching. It's a really great color for the Valentines because it's really fun, bubbly color, and you can just see that how beautiful it looks over here. This lipstick goes well with neutral eye as well and smoky eye, so you can definitely pair it with those eye makeup too. And now I'm using a plain brush to clean my face from the residue of the eye glitter that I used. And now I'm using a mascara from Clinique. This is a high impact mascara. It's really good, and I'm using it on my upper eyelash and my lower eyelash. So this brings us to the end of our video. I hope that you like this look and you're gonna try it for the Valentines, and it's really easy. You just have to follow the steps, like you have to do the blending really smoothly and wear minimal foundation. That's it, that's the key. Just play with the colors and you're good to go. I'm going to mention all the products that I've used in the description box below for your ease, so you can just refer back to it. So yeah, that's all about it. If you want to know more about it, then go to my website aishavogs.com. So take care of yourself, and until next time, ciao.